Left bracket exciting upbeat music starts playing. Right bracket hello and welcome to the Daily Crypto Pulse, where we keep you in the know on the latest developments in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. I'm your host, left bracket your name right bracket, and we've got an action-packed show for you today. First up, let's talk about crypto taxes in India. As we enter 2025, it's essential for traders to understand the implications of the tax levy introduced in 2023. The key types of transactions affected are trading, selling, and spending cryptocurrencies, all of which are subject to tax. The tax rate varies based on the type of transaction and the individual's tax bracket. A 30% tax is applicable on gains from cryptocurrency sales, and a 1% tax-deductible TDS is applicable on buying/selling cryptocurrencies. It's the taxpayer's responsibility to report their cryptocurrency transactions and pay the applicable tax, and non-compliance may result in penalties and interest. To stay compliant, traders should maintain accurate records of their cryptocurrency transactions and consult with tax professionals if needed. Read more about it here. https://cointelegraph.com/explained/crypto taxes in India explained what traders need to know in 2025@_source feed $.medium=RSS_campagn=partner_inbound. Moving on to a rather concerning trend, hackers are using Ethereum smart contracts to deliver malware. According to a recent report, compromised NPM packages are being used to download and install malicious software. This highlights the growing threat of cryptocurrency-related cyber attacks and the need for increased security measures to protect users. Read more about it here. https://decrypt.co/338092/hackers using Ethereum smart contracts to deliver malware report. Now let's talk about some positive news for Ethereum fans. Experts predict a positive long-term outlook for Ethereum due to several key factors, including whale accumulation, the launch of a new Ethereum-focused ETF, and positive treasury flows. These factors suggest a bullish long-term outlook for Ethereum, hinting at further upside in the future. Read more about it here. https://decrypt.co/338075/Ethereum whales stacking ETH, hinting at further upside. Next up, we have an interesting article about the need for traditional banking services in the crypto industry. Despite being a unique market, crypto companies still require access to traditional banking services to operate effectively. The benefits of traditional banking for crypto companies include paying employees and suppliers, storing and managing funds, and accessing liquidity when needed. Without these services, crypto companies may face significant challenges, including difficulties in managing finances, paying bills, and accessing capital. Read more about it here. https://medium.com/web3magazine/crypto needs banks 868-171E277-1BSOURC855B0CEC0C07-4. In the last item, under this segment, we have a pressing concern in the crypto space. In April, a total of $161 million was lost to various crypto crimes, and four alarming trends stand out. These include the rise of supply chain attacks, increased use of social engineering, growing sophistication of attacks, and lack of awareness and education among users. These trends highlight the need for increased awareness, education, and security measures in the crypto space to protect users from these emerging threats. Read more about it here. https://medium.com/web3magazine/April 161m in crypto losses 4 alarming trends you need to know. EA 282308BF 0BSOURC equal RSS 855B0CEC 0C07 -4. Now let's get into some fun stuff. Blockchain bytes. Why did the Ethereum developer break up with his girlfriend? Because he realized he was in a blockchain relationship and the contract was already locked in. On a more serious note, the Ethereum community is abuzz with the recent report about hackers using Ethereum smart contracts to deliver malware. This highlights the growing threat of cryptocurrency-related cyber attacks and the need for increased security measures to protect users. Now let's move on to some more news from the crypto space. North Korean hackers are using stolen cryptocurrency to mine more cryptocurrency through cloud services. This allows them to turn their dirty crypto into new, untainted coins, effectively laundering the funds. According to Mandiant's latest report, Apt43 targets cryptocurrency and related services to sustain their operations. They use this method to fund espionage operations, finance state goals, and support their own existence. Read more about it here. https://medium.com/web3magazine/North Korea launders dirty crypto through clouds. Wait, what? 959785E 03CSOURC equal RSS 855B0CEC 0C07 -4. Oracle manipulation is also a growing concern in DeFi. In 2022, Oracle manipulation resulted in losses of $219.6 million, affecting various DeFi platforms, including algorithmic market makers and yield optimizers. Oracles play a crucial role in the DeFi ecosystem, connecting blockchains with off-chain real-world data through smart contracts. Hackers are exploiting this vulnerability, making Oracle manipulation a popular attack vector in 2022. Read more about it here. https://medium.com/web3magazine/Oracle exploit the go to crypto hack in a bear market 278F910357661SOURC equal RSS 855B0CEC 0C07 -4. The finance industry is increasingly adopting blockchain technology, shifting its infrastructure to tokenization. This trend is driven by the growing use of stablecoins and tokenized assets. Tokenization becomes the new normal. Asset managers, banks, and firms are transitioning to token-based models for managing assets, securities, commodities, and intellectual property. Read more about it here. https://blog.cosmos.network/evolving capital markets with blockchain technology 10BD 6B0DC 79SOURC equal RSS 6C5D35B 77E13 -4. Digital asset treasury companies DATCOs are transforming corporate capital strategy by integrating cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin, into traditional financial systems. This innovation is driven by Cosmos-powered chains, enabling the tokenization of real-world assets and institutions to participate in DeFi. Read more about it here. https://blog.cosmos.network/Cosmos powered tokenization. How that goes, and on-chain treasuries bring Bitcoin and RWAs to global 3 ECEB 4 CAB 95 BSOURC equal RSS 6C5D35B 77E13 -4. Now let's talk about some exciting news from the Web3 space. A Silicon Valley Bank report highlights key trends in the tech industry. Notably, startups have secured a significant share of venture capital VC funding in 2025. The top 250 Web3 companies to watch are experiencing growth in a bubble market, but their long-term viability remains uncertain. iGoliaths have dominated VC funding, scooping up 40% of the available capital. These trends suggest a shift in the tech industry, with I and Web3 companies increasingly attracting investment. Read more about it here. https://kryptonadventures.substack.com/p/the top 250 Web3 companies to watch. And finally, before we wrap up, I'd like to thank everyone for tuning into the Daily Crypto Pulse. Stay safe in the decentralized finance ecosystem and blockchain world, and don't forget to follow us for the latest updates and news from the crypto space. Left bracket outro music starts playing right bracket. Thanks for joining me today, and we'll catch you in the next episode of the Daily Crypto Pulse.